The pooboo folding exercise bike offers versatility with its 4-in-1 design, allowing for both high-intensity upright cycling and a more relaxed semi-recumbent position, catering to diverse workout needs. Equipped with a convenient bottle holder, this bike ensures you stay hydrated during your workouts, a thoughtful feature not commonly found in other models. Its compact and foldable design makes it an excellent choice for those with limited space, and the built-in transport wheels facilitate easy movement and storage. Built with sturdy, high-quality steel, the bike supports up to 300 pounds and accommodates users from 4 feet 10 inches to 6 feet 1 inch, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The 8-level adjustable magnetic resistance provides a smooth, quiet cycling experience, allowing you to tailor your workout intensity without disturbing others. A multifunctional fitness monitor with a mobile device holder keeps you engaged by tracking key workout metrics and allowing you to enjoy entertainment while exercising.